class number 12 of the Leaving Cert Higher Level Algebra course, where you will learn about exponential equations. The exponent is a fancy word for the power or index, so you are really just doing power equations. Before you do this class, make sure you fully understand classes 9 and 10 from the ordinary level. Here is a list of the power rules that you already know. Solving power equations. The technique. Get the same base on each side of the equal sign. You can now equate the powers. Here is a simple power equation. The base on each side is 2. Because you have the same base on each side, you can put the powers equal to one another. Therefore, x equals 2 is the solution. Example 1. Solve 4 to the power of x over 2 to the power of minus x is equal to 8 to the power of x minus 1 over 8 to the power of 2x. Turn each number into the same base if you can. Pick 2 as your base. 4 is 2 squared and 8 is 2 cubed. Use power rule number 5 to get rid of the brackets. Multiply the powers together. Tidy up the left-hand side by subtracting the powers. You are using power rule number 2. 2x minus x is 3x. Tidy up the right-hand side in the same way. 3x minus 3 minus 6x is minus 3x minus 3. You now have the same base on both sides, so you can equate the powers. Solve for x. The solution is x is equal to minus a half. You are now going to look at sums of exponentials. In these types of problems, you will make a clever substitution and then solve a quadratic. Example 2. Solve 2 to the power of 2x minus 5 times 2 to the power of x plus 1 plus 16 is equal to 0. Isolate an exponential function. 2 to the power of x needs to be isolated. Using power rule number 5, 2 to the power of 2x can be written as 2 to the power of x all squared. Move on to the second term. Using power rule number 1, 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 2 by 2 to the power of x. Multiply the 5 by 2 to get 10. Make a substitution. Let u equal to 2 to the power of x. Solve the quadratic in u by factorization. The factors are u minus 2 times u minus 8. Solving gives u equal to 2 or 8. However, you are asked to solve for x, not u, so undo the substitution. Solve these power equations by getting the same base 2 on each side. Finally, equate the powers, giving x is equal to 1 or 3.